Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm just going to talk about my flight experience on the new SK948, which is the Scandinavian Airlines Toronto to Stockholm flight. This route is a relatively new route starting just a few months ago in June 2022 by Scandinavian Airlines, better known by their abbreviation SAS. It flies 4 times a week from Toronto Pearson to Stockholm Arlanda on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And this flight is on a brand new Airbus A321LR, the LR standing for long range. Being a smaller single-aisle jet allows SAS to run routes from Scandinavia that would otherwise be undersold on other larger aircrafts. Since Stockholm isn't a large international hub like London or Amsterdam, the flight itself has a total of 157 seats, with 22 going to SAS Business that lay completely flat, 12 for SAS Plus, which is their premium economy, and 123 SAS Go, or the regular economy. Take a guess on which one I picked. Once on board with the doors closed, there was an announcement informing us that we were technically in Swedish territory and we could take off the mask that we'd been wearing all day in the airport. Takeoff was right on time at 5 p.m., with the full duration of the flight being 8 hours and 10 minutes, and with the 6 hours of time change, we were scheduled to land around 7:10 a.m. in the morning. Once we reached cruising altitude, dinner was served, which happened to be chicken Alfredo with vegetables and a roll and a side salad. Let's just say it was plain food and it did its job. Flying east brings on an early sunset, but on a clear day like today, it was definitely welcome and never disappointed. After a while, as you fly over the North Atlantic Ocean, it becomes pitch black with only the light of the small red beacon at the end of the wing. But I did get lucky and wake up around 2/3 of the way to Stockholm to see a beautiful clear sky with stars. And more surprisingly, I'm pretty sure that I saw the lights of the Faroe Islands north of Scotland as their village lights dotted the dark islands. A little while later, breakfast was served, consisting of a Jimmy Dean sandwich, coffee, and a sealed cup of orange juice. The flight was mostly smooth, with only a few rough patches of turbulence, but if you've ever read the book Cockpit Confidential, you'd already know that aircrafts are designed to withstand truly incredible things, so I didn't worry very much. We landed a couple of minutes early, and were welcomed with a quick passport control line. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable way to get to Europe or are just wanting to visit Sweden in general, I would definitely suggest the SK948 flight. And if you're like me who collects United Miles Plus miles, you can also use those towards this flight. Next time, I use my long layover in Stockholm to visit the Vasa Ship Museum and witness the changing of the Royal Guards before heading to Amsterdam. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and think I deserve your subscription, please click the subscribe button below, along with the bell icon to be notified of all my new videos. Thanks again for watching this video, and never stop adventuring.